How to fix USDT showing in funding on Bybit but not usable. So if you want to fix USDT showing in funding on Bybit but not usable, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Bybit application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the spot option, which will be on the bottom. Once you're under the spot, you can simply go with Doge/USDT. If you don't have the spot option, you can simply go with trade, which will be on the middle. And once you're under the trade now here, you just need to simply go with the Doge/USDT, which will be on the upper side. Just tap on it, and if you don't find it, just you need to go with search, and you need to search for Doge/USDT. Now here you will have it, right? You just need to simply tap on it and you will get this kind of interface. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the sell section. Under sell, you need to go with the limit, and here you need to choose market. And after that, go with the quantity or the amount of dogs that you would like to sell. So for example, I'll be choosing a random number and then go with sell dogs, which is right here on the middle of your screen. Now, once you just simply tap on sell dogs, it will be going to be sold. And after that, it will be appeared on your total assets. So you just need to simply go with the assets, which is on the bottom right. And here under your total assets, you will have the option of unified trading, which is right here. Under your unified trading, you will have the option. So you just need to simply tap on the unified trading option. Just tap on it and tap on transfer. So you just need to simply go with the from address and choose unified trading account. And under to address, you need to go with funding account. And under coin, you need to simply choose the USDT and then enter the amount, or you can simply tap on max. And after that, you need to go with confirm, which is on the bottom. And once you go with confirm, then it will move to your funding account. Now once you move to your funding account, you'll be able to see the total assets right there. And after that, if you go with home, here you will have the P2P trading. Just tap on it and go with the sell section. Once you're under the sell, here you just need to simply go with the USDT, which is right here. Make sure that you've selected USDT. Once you've selected, if you simply tap on any one of these, then you will have the amount of USDT that you've received. So that's how you can know your USDT. If you're not being able to know your USDT amount, then you will be able to know it right here. So that's how you can fix it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.